I'm Laura Zahn with Windermere North, and I'm here in Kendall Yards in Spokane, which is a fabulous development on the Spokane River. And I'm going to show you this home behind me, which is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home in Kendall Yards. So I'm going to turn the camera. This is Bridge Avenue that we're on. These are not Kendall Yards homes on that side, but nicely gentrifying. And you'll see on this side a typical Greenstone development, one of which is Kendall Yards. That's kind of their flagship development here in downtown Spokane, with the white picket fences. And these are some single family homes. There are townhomes on either end here, and there are apartments also in the development. There are not a lot of single family homes here. So this is 1853 West Bridge. Very cute craftsman design, as they all are. And when you come into this one, there is a half bath and a coat closet right here, which is nice to have. Here's the big closet. Ta-da! So this home is actually a little over 2,100 square feet, and it doesn't seem to be too big or too small. It seems just the right size because of this big open area. All the appliances are brand new, have not even been used. This was a 2010 build that was used as a rental. And that's why the flooring is probably going to be something you're going to want to replace, and maybe get some countertops that are not Formica. And we have priced it to let somebody do that. We're at about $341 a square foot. $725 is the price. And that is lower than the townhomes, so here in Kendall Yards. So we thought somebody could put in new flooring and new countertops and have a fabulous, fabulous place. It's very nice the way it is. A pantry is unusual. There's my junk in there that I'm hiding for my open house. Main floor living. There is a master bedroom here. There's the master. And a master bath with a big shower and 2 sinks, double sinks. Hello, that's me. And a walk-in closet. So that's all on the main floor, which is very attractive to people in a lot of age groups. And here's your laundry room, washer and dryer stay. And when you come in the back door here, there is the 2-car garage with some extra space for storage. And I want you to see the alley, because this is one of the best features about Kendall Yards and about Greenstone developments is they plow the alley. All of your garages are alley entrance for safety reasons and also for aesthetics. You meet your neighbors when you're out on the front part. This is a real walkable community. So it's a great design. The HOA fees, by the way, are only $136 a month. That includes the yard care. And this has a full basement, by the way. Here's a little desk here. The yard care is included in that, and so is a membership at the health club down in the retail area of Kendall Yards. So because of the yard care, because they mow and they take care of the plants, this is perfect for snowbirders who just want to shut the door and go. So a very big family room down here with an egress window. Again, another nice closet. And then there are 2 full bedrooms and a full bath. So egress bedroom, closet. Egress bedroom. Oops, I think the light's out in that one. Closet. And here's your bathroom down here. Oops, there's Laura again. Full bath, shower, tub. Very clean. This was a rental, and I don't think people even believe that when I tell them that, because It's in such good condition. The sellers are very meticulous about taking care of stuff. Here's your mechanicals. There is central air. There's the water heater. And some of the townhomes here in Kendall Yards don't have central air. They have mini splits or none. So I also wanted to, I didn't show you in the front yard. I want to show you that. The little patio area. Kendall Yards is a fabulous area. It is so popular. It's about 15 years old now, I want to say. That Greenstone did in stages. So it has multifamily housing. It has single family housing, a real diverse community as far as, you know, ages. And here's your porch, and then there's this patio slab over here. So a lot of restaurants to walk to. Scoop Ice Cream, my personal favorite. Hidden Bagel. And Baba, the Yards Brunch, and Versailles Pizza. Mary Hill Winery, the Nectar. The HOA, there's a health club down there too that the HOA lets you join. For $136 a month, you get that in your lawn care. So if I can help you with this or you need any more information on Spokane housing, please let me know. I'm Laura Zahn from Windermere North. Give me a call, 509-294-1085, or email me at laurazahn@windermere.com. Thanks so much.